to, come and get me to do it unless, you're struggling or something like that. Okay, guys, let's just jump into the tutorial. So what you need for this, guys, is you need to be able to prestige one of your divisions. So to do this, guys, we come over to obviously the division prestige table. The easiest one to have available to prestige is the infantry, guys, but I don't have that because I already prestige maxed it. If your division is max prestige, then you'll just have to try it with another. So division I'm going to be doing it with, guys, is the airborne division. It is slightly different between infantry and then using any other. I'll be explaining the differences, guys. As you can see, it is ready to prestige, and that means I'm all good to go. So guys, if you are using the infantry division to do this, all you're going to want to do is hold X until the bar, as you can see when I'm actually talking to the guys, it's like a bar coming around the X sort of thing, and the circle fills up. Once the circle fills up, you actually go into the division prestige screen. What you're going to do, guys, is I'm going to do this for Xbox first and PS4 after, so it doesn't complicate things. So you're going to hold X, and as soon as the bar actually finishes, filling up, you want to press Y and then A. If you've done this, guys, what it's actually going to do is it's going to come up on screen saying that you want to prestige your division, and you're going to be able to walk around with that on your screen still. So I'll be showing you that exactly with the airborne. It's just the airborne, any other division than the infantry. So for example, if you're doing it with the airborne, armoured, mountain or expeditionary, it is slightly different. I'll be telling you how to do that in a second. But basically, guys, you should be able to walk around saying that you're ready to prestige your infantry. I'll be showing you what that looks like in a few seconds, so don't worry about it. So guys, just to recap, if you're on PS4, what you will do is you'll hold square until, as you can see, the bar will fill up. You'll hold square, and then as soon as it fills up, you'll press triangle and then X. I'm 99% sure I've got the buttons right there. So press square until the thing fills. As soon as it fills, press triangle and then X, and you'll do the glitch. So guys, if you are using the non-infantry division, it is kind of a little bit more complicated, a little bit more annoying, because basically you have to hold down on the D-pad. So basically sit down, and just keep holding down on the D-pad whilst you do this, guys, and you're going to do exactly the same thing. You're going to go ahead and hold X, and then as soon as it fills up, press Y and X. So guys, as you can see, I just got it there. So it does take a little bit of tries, this wasn't my first try. But basically, guys, just make sure you're holding down on the D-pad. You hold X and then press Y and A at the same time. So if you're on PS4, you'll be holding down on the D-pad, you'll be holding square until it fills, then pressing triangle and X at almost the same time. Basically, guys, you'll get stuck into this screen right here. So guys, once you're in this screen, all you're going to want to do is go over and talk to the general. And once you're actually talking to the general, you're going to go ahead and press A to prestige. So guys, once you've actually done this, you can actually do this once again. You can go over to your division prestige. As you can see, it will not have actually prestiged your division. What I'd recommend, guys, is after you've got to 10th prestige or whatever prestige you want to go to, you're going to want to go ahead and play a game. So guys, the reason I say you're going to want to play a game is because if we look at the leaderboards, as you can see, it still says I am, level 17